Hey guys, I have this really cute small pouch to show you today. It's one of those nice see-through ones so that you can use them for places like stores. If you work at a store where you have to have a clear pouch so that they can easily see what you have, you can go in and out. This, like I said, is a small one, so it's going to hold like maybe a wallet, keys, phone, that kind of thing. So it just has a little pouch right there. It does have a little thing you can hold on to here and a little clippy back here, and then there's a zipper pouch on this side as well as on this side. So I'm just gonna put some like rolls of socks in there so you can see what it can hold. I've got some socks right here, and just gonna kind of stuff those in here, and that many socks fits in there. So you can also lay some across the top, but smaller bag, smaller pouch for airports, doors, that kind of thing.